the journey of an exhaust fan is as fascinating as its function. Right here, skilled workers are hard at it, crafting exhaust fans that keep things cool both at home and abroad. These workers are the backbone of the industry, their expertise and dedication ensuring that each fan meets high standards of quality and efficiency. And trust me, it's a fascinating process. From the initial design to the final assembly, every step is meticulously planned and executed. The raw materials are transformed into a finished product through a series of precise and coordinated actions. It's a blend of art and science, tradition and innovation. The blades are carefully balanced to ensure smooth operation, and each fan undergoes rigorous quality control checks. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of the workers and the importance of these fans in our daily lives. Once assembled, they're ready to provide that much-needed relief from the heat. So, how do they actually make these fans? It's a fascinating process that combines raw materials, precision engineering, and skilled craftsmanship. Well, it all starts with giant rolls of steel sheets. These sheets are the foundation of the entire fan-making process, and they arrive at the factory in massive quantities. These sheets are cut into precise shapes and sizes using powerful machines. The cutting process is highly automated, ensuring that each piece is identical and meets the exact requirements. It's like a giant cookie cutter, but instead of dough, it's metal. The machines slice through the steel with incredible accuracy, creating the basic shapes that will eventually become fan blades. These cutout pieces will eventually become the fan blades, the part that does all the heavy lifting when it comes to moving air. Each piece is carefully handled to ensure it remains in perfect condition, but they're not ready just yet. At this stage, the pieces are still flat and lack the aerodynamic properties needed to efficiently move air. Now we're getting to the good stuff, the motor. This is the heart of the fan, the component that brings it to life. Without the motor, the fan would just be a static piece of metal and plastic. The motor is what transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy, making the blades spin and creating that refreshing breeze we all love. This is what gives the fan its spin, and it's a fascinating process. The construction of an electric motor is a marvel of modern engineering. Each motor is meticulously assembled on a production line, where precision and attention to detail are paramount. Every component must fit perfectly to ensure the motor operates efficiently and reliably. Skilled technicians work their magic, carefully winding copper wire around the motor core. This process is known as motor winding, and it requires a steady hand and a keen eye. The copper wire must be wound tightly and evenly to create a uniform magnetic field. Any irregularities in the winding can lead to inefficiencies and potential motor failure. It's a delicate and precise job, kind of like knitting, but with electricity. Imagine knitting a sweater, but instead of yarn, you're using thin strands of copper wire, and instead of creating a cozy garment, you're building a powerful electromagnet. The precision required is immense, and the technicians must be highly skilled to ensure the motor functions correctly. These copper coils create a magnetic field when electricity flows through them, which in turn spins the rotor inside the motor. The interaction between the magnetic field and the rotor is what generates the mechanical motion that drives the fan blades. This process is a beautiful dance of physics and engineering, where every element plays a crucial role. The speed and power of the fan depend on the thickness of the wire and the number of turns. Thicker wire and more turns can create a stronger magnetic field, resulting in a more powerful motor. However, this also requires more space and can increase the weight of the motor. Finding the right balance is key to designing an efficient and effective motor. Each motor is a unique blend of materials and design choices, optimized for its specific application. The combination of copper coils and magnets is what makes the motor tick, and the expertise of the technicians ensures that every motor meets the highest standards of quality and performance. With the motor ready to go, it's time to put all the pieces together. This is where the assembly line comes in. Workers, each with their own specialized task, work in sync to assemble the fans. Think of it like a well-oiled machine, or perhaps a Formula One pit crew. The motor is carefully fitted into the fan housing, the blades are attached, and the wiring is connected. Before it's boxed up and ready to go, each assembled fan is tested to make sure it spins smoothly and quietly. A fan isn't just a functional appliance, it's also got to look the part. That's where the paint shop comes in. Here, the assembled fans are given a fresh coat of paint, not just to make them look pretty, although that's a bonus, but also to protect them from rust and corrosion. From classic white to more vibrant colors, there's a fan out there to match every taste and decor. Once the paint dries, they're ready for the final inspection and packaging. Before these fans can be shipped off to homes and businesses, they go through one final quality check. It's like a final exam to make sure they meet the highest standards. They're plugged in, tested one last time, and then carefully packaged in sturdy boxes. These boxes contain more than just a fan. They contain the hard work, skill, and dedication of countless individuals. From the factory floor to your ceiling, it's a testament to Pakistani craftsmanship.